Welcome back to the Pixel Pub. Not only do I have an unboxing of a really fun keyboard, but today I've also got my co-host here, my amazing daughter.
Hi everyone, I'm so excited. We're unboxing the Royal Kludge M75 wireless gaming keyboard. I really like the color.
So grab an age-appropriate drink and let's open it up. Cheers! So speaking of the color, what color did we get?
This M75 blue mechanical keyboard with side printed PVT keycaps.
And it doesn't look like the picture on the box, it looks even cooler. Not only does this have the side printed keycaps, but it's also a 75% keyboard layout, meaning it's a little bit more compact and shorter than a regular keyboard. It doesn't have all of the numbers on the side, which is something that I have never had before.
First out of the box is the keyboard.
Whoa. Let's look at the rest of the stuff here first. We have to build the anticipation.
Aww.
This is the keycap and switch puller.
I have no idea what that means.
I'll show you later. These are some of the extra switches. And then of course we have the USB cable, which includes a built-in USB-C to USB-A connector, which is pretty cool.
Let's unwrap the keyboard now. Ooh, I really like that bluish teal color.
You have to read the manual first though, can't forget that.
Okay, done. Ooh, it's clicky, but not too loud. It's kind of satisfying.
Well, it looks like the battery is charged and it's already turned on. Look at that RGB. This is a really solid feeling keyboard thanks to its gasket mounted design. It's built to give you a softer, quieter typing experience. The pre-lubed cloud switches are smooth, responsive, and ready for gaming or typing. Plus, if we ever wanted to try a different feel, the board is hot-swappable, so we can actually change the switches out really easily. Isn't that cool?
There's also a really cool screen and volume knob too. I like that.
Just say, roll that beautiful bean footage.
Why?
Just say it. Just say it.
Why? Roll that beautiful beans footage.
What are you doing? This is a keyboard unboxing video.
It's called ASMR.